a very controversial topic. Of course, सब लोग आए हों यही बात सुनने के लिए. Trouble, rumors, सब कुछ होता है. You know just how it works in high school. स्कूल में friendly हो जाना, छुपा के स्कूल में मस्ती करना, class bunk करना. A lot of experience. Everyone says keep your friends close but your enemies closer. I wish I was there again. I wish I could relive it. This video is going to be ultimate guide on high school. I have my diary here where I've written what I'm going to speak about and I'll talk about. Ignore the camera quality, but my advice is going to be better than the camera quality. The ultimate glow up. So see, glow up is not just अपना मुंह ठीक करना या स्किन केयर करना या वगैरह. Of course, skincare is prime. I fixed myself and how I glowed up after 10th, जो high school होता है, proper 11th 12th India में. So I glowed up because of skincare. If skincare was not there, तब आप लोग मेरे को नहीं देखते यहाँ पे YouTube video or whatever बनाते हुए. I also had issues like I did not know how to dress up. I did not know how to be myself. And now I am myself. So the biggest glow up that can be is be yourself. If you cannot be yourself, like you're copying someone या किसी को देख रहे हो कि she's being rude and you're also being rude, then that's just nonsense and that's not being yourself. तो अभी like there are a lot of people walking by side me, ठीक है? Still I can talk and I can film a video without anything and I'm showing you full confidence. So that's what be yourself and glow up means, and that is what you need for the ultimate thing is I would say is don't compare yourself with anyone क्योंकि तुम कोई नहीं हो सकता. You are you. तुम्हारा कॉपी भी कोई कर लेना वो कॉपी ही लगेगा, कोई हो नहीं सकता है. You are you. तुम जैसा ड्रेस पहनते हो वो नहीं पहन सकती ना, तुम जो सोच रहे हो वो नहीं सोच सकती. So think about it and don't compare yourself with anyone. क्योंकि what you can do, I am 100% sure that वो सोचती है और माइंड में बोलती है कि why can't I do. So what you do that. Like suppose you're good at dancing or speaking, so do that. Don't think कि अच्छा वो गाने में कितने अच्छे, I wish I was good, but you are good. She might be thinking कि wow I wish I was good at dance. So don't think about it too much कि वो अच्छी है इसमें वो अच्छी है. Think about yourself, तुम अच्छी हो किस में, and focus on that. Cars are so annoying. और अभी मैं क्या बोलती बताया, honking. And also like focus on your hobbies because hobbies will take you a lot like further. अभी like companies जो hire करते हैं लोगों को after college, तो तभी they see a lot of people who are into skills. Like they see your hobby, not just degree है तुम्हें, तुम्हारा 95% है 96% है, वो देखते हैं, of course देखेंगे, skills के बिना कैसे हो सकता है. But they also see कि तुम स्किल्स कौन सा कर सकते हो, क्योंकि दैट्स काइंड ऑफ अ प्रेशर, दैट्स कंसिस्टेंसी. इफ़ यू आर डांसिंग एवरी डे, इफ़ यू आर सिंगिंग एवरी डे, यू आर इन प्रैक्टिस, तो उसको बोलते हैं कंसिस्टेंसी. बट इफ़ यू आर नॉट, तो दैट्स नॉट कंसिस्टेंट. तो लोग को एक आइडिया हो जाता है कि हाउ ऑफ काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन यू आर, कि कंसिस्टेंट हो कि नहीं हो वगैरह वगैरह. एंड देन लेट्स कम टू स्टडीज़. एंड यू नो स्टडीज़ के बिना तो स्कूल क्या फ़ायदा, स्कूल क्यों जा रहे हो? ऑफ कोर्स स्टडी करने के लिए. इफ़ यू आर नॉट स्टडिंग तो कैसे हो सकता है? सो आई विल से कि पूरा ईयर पढ़ो. लाइक मैंने पूरा ईयर पढ़ा, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक 16 आवर्स 10 आवर्स तुम पढ़ते रहो घूमना मत, ये नहीं वो नहीं. आई डिड एवरीथिंग. I went out, I had fun with my friends, I had fun with my cousins, I bunked school sometimes, but I wouldn't say कि bunk करो, क्योंकि there are some moments that I wish I was in school जो मैंने experience नहीं किया था. And तो वो सब you can do. And study भाई करना ही पड़ेगा. I was a very average student, like 85 86 मुझे आते थे. And after that I increased myself to a 90 and everyone suddenly started calling me a topper. I don't know why. I got 92 on my ISC board. का videos channel में आएगा soon. So it's not like I did not compare myself with someone कि oh इतना मिला मेरे को भी मिलना चाहिए. I saw it positively कि wow इसको इतना मिला, I hope I also get, and then I worked for it. I worked for the whole year. That's how I got. My friends did not, but how come I got? So that's the thing कि तुमको सारा ईयर पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. You cannot just be कि एक दिन पढ़ लिया नेक्स्ट दिन एग्ज़ाम दिया हो गया, ऐसे नहीं होता है. एंड इफ़ भी ऐसे होता है यू हैव टू स्टडी पूरा, मतलब रात रात तुमको बैठ के पढ़ना पड़ेगा, या तो नहीं होगा. सो आई वुड से कि होल ईयर पढ़ो और लास्ट में मत पढ़ो, तो प्रेशर कम रहता है. यू विल नॉट बी स्ट्रेस्ड एंड दैट इज़ मोर बेटर. आई वुड से मेरे लिए वो काम किया है, तो आई वुड से तुम्हारे लिए भी करेगा. यू आर नॉट like much different than me, right? We are all the same. एंड देन आता है माइंडसेट अबाउट फ्यूचर. ठीक है, यू हैव टू कीप अ माइंडसेट अबाउट फ्यूचर कि मुझे ये करना है वो करना है. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव एंड लाइक जो होगा देखा जाएगा, जहाँ पापा मम्मी, यू हैव टू हैव दैट. इफ़ यू गेट द थिंग योर मॉम एंड डैड विल ऑल्सो. तुम्हारे अंदर इफ़ वो है एक, what do you call it? I've forgotten how to speak Hindi because मैं ना मिक्सड हो गया हिंदी बंगाली इंग्लिश, तो कभी कभार मुझे बात ही नहीं करना आता. So you have to have that gut and you have to work for it. You have to have the intuition. You have to work for it. Hard work. If you don't do hard work, then you cannot show your parents. Hard work is the key. सब बोलते hard work, hard work. Yes, smart work, of course. Smart work नहीं करोगे तो क्या तुमको आता ही नहीं है कुछ, then you will be a loser. You can do smart work, but जहाँ पे hard work करना हो, you have to do hard work. Otherwise तो नहीं होगा. सो दैट्स अ थिंग कि अपने फ्यूचर के बारे बहुत सोचो, माइंडसेट रखो. इफ़ तुम सोच रहे हो कि ऐसे हो जाएगा, फ्यूचर तो इजी है, इट्स नॉट इजी. आई कैन वाउच फॉर इट कि इट्स नॉट इजी, क्योंकि आफ्टर 12th आई हैव फेस्ड बहुत चैलेंजेस. लाइक स्टिल राइट नाउ आई think about getting financially independent myself. Yeah, not just out of school or college के बाद. I think about it from now. So you have to build it from now only, that you have to get good grades, you have to do well, you have to have hobbies so that you can be your own person and earn for yourself, not for anybody else but for yourself. खुद के लिए करो तो सब होता है, खुद के लिए नहीं करोगे तो नहीं होता है. Join clubs, participate in anything that you find good, debate, dance, singing, drama clubs, anything जो तुम्हारे स्कूल प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. Even if you don't like, you will like it. Try it and you will like it. These cars are so annoying. If you like participate तो तुम्हारे अंदर confidence बढ़ता है. You are like, okay, I can do it. You can approach people, you can talk to people, and that also leads to networking. I have networked a lot during my 12th and 11th, I wouldn't say, but you should start from 9th, 10th only. I did it in 12th, and like trust me, there are a lot of things that I've done which I can even write in my CV in the future, or I can get work right now too. So you have to participate, you have to do a lot of things that you did not do. And being a vice captain, so I have not told in the video, but I was my vice captain in a school. You have a badge of a captain, like तुम्हारे में हो जाता है, you are a leader quality. ऐसे ही someone doesn't chooses you to be a captain, right? You have to have leadership qualities, you have to be confident, and you have to do what your heart says. Then only they'll see you as a potential to be a captain. And I think I've achieved it after doing a lot of work. And you have to be involved, you have to talk to your seniors, you have to talk to your juniors, be friendly with them, learn things. Everyone teaches you everything, so don't think कि ए मेरा जूनियर है क्या ही सिखाएगा, सीनियर्स आर टू एटीट्यूड, ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हो तुम. यू हैव टू लिटरली बी लाइक yes, I'm learning from you. Have a very good mindset. If you don't have a very good mindset, then you cannot be the it girl of your school. So you have to have that mindset, you have to be friendly, you have to talk to everyone. And as everyone says, keep your friends close but your enemies closer. Of course you have to, otherwise trouble, rumors, सब कुछ होता है, you know just how it works in high school. This is a very interesting thing. I don't know सबको लगेगा कि नहीं. Don't be friends with everyone. There are people who will use you, who will be very sweet to you, very kind to you when you are their friend or whatever. लोग बोलेंगे oh my god you're so sweet, I'm always there for you, thank you, ऐसे ऐसे करेंगे, but last में नहीं रहते, and they are one of the fakest people you'll ever meet. So I would say and suggest कि be away from those people, and there are a lot of people, juniors, who will try to use you क्योंकि you know why. So don't get into all of that and try to be alone. The more you be alone, the more you are in yourself, talking to yourself, you'll be better. And trust me, overthinking is not bad. Sometimes it's really good. और जब intuition का तुम सुनते हो and overthinking का भी तुम सुनते हो, snap, perfect. तुम्हारा कोई कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता because you are true. इसीलिए so think about them comes choosing energies wisely. So there are a lot of people तुम्हारे लाइफ में आते हैं जिनके एनर्जी बहुत नेगेटिव होता है, बट यू आर लाइक अच्छा ठीक है फ्रेंड है, बट व्हाटएवर जूनियर है ठीक है चलता है, बट एक्चुअली नहीं चलता है. दैट ब्रिंग्स वेरी मच ऑफ अ नेगेटिव वाइब टू you and your life. तो आई हैड वन फ्रेंड who was always negative. कोई optimistic बातें उनके मुंह से निकलती नहीं थी, and they're like oh I'll fail, I'll do this, I'll do that. like ज़्यादा सोचना and करना तो 0%. और they were very like negative, I would say. So don't stay with people who give you negative energy. Don't vibe with them, don't talk to them. just उन लोग का negative energy तुम्हारे में attract होता है, so don't take it in. Just remove negative energy from your life. People who give you positive energy और जिनसे तुमको बहुत अच्छा vibe मिलता है, stay with them, be with them, or they will actually give you a lot of positive energy in your life. And वो because of that positive energy ना, you will also be like very happy, very hardworking. और तुम्हारे में जो भी problems आएंगे, you can tackle them very well. और तुमको कोई ऐसे नहीं होगा कि oh I'm having low energy, negative है वगैरह. You will always be optimistic. Right now I am friends or with people who are very positive. Just school में ही नहीं, it's about family, everything, everywhere. like सब जगह ये होता है, in your office, in your college, high school, everywhere. like choose energies wisely. Everyone has an energy. so इसीलिए अच्छा एनर्जी से रहोगे, अच्छे एनर्जी के साथ आप बॉन्ड करोगे, then only you will be a good energy yourself and be a very optimistic person. Otherwise you'll be very negative. So mind that and be with people who make you happy. Don't try to make anyone happy. It's vice versa in friendships. So if they are making you happy, make them happy too. But if they are not putting efforts, then why will you be the one who is putting efforts everywhere? And my dog is here. Event. Okay. A very controversial topic. Of course, सब लोग आए हों यही बात सुनने के लिए. Dating. मेरे को dating सुनते ही irritate लगता है. Like let me tell you, we had few of our friends जो date करते थे class 10th में, and of course they broke up because class 10th का pressure था, फिर class 12th का pressure आ गया वगैरह वगैरह. They're not in a relationship right now. Even in class 11th and 12th I had a friend जो relationship में थी, and it really got hodgepodge like उसका life में. I've never dated, like really I've never dated, क्योंकि I just don't want to vibe with people who want situationships or relationship के नाम पे just आवारागर्दी करना. like bro, commitment is such a thing you give to a person who will also give you commitment. Why will you give someone commitment who is not bothering to give you that too? like क्यों तुम डेट करोगे किसी को who is having fun and you know they're having fun and you are also having fun. Like, what's that? I've had so many friends, like एक नहीं दो नहीं तीन नहीं कितने relationships they have been, and I'm telling you that will not help you in life, and just stop dating. Focus on yourself, be your own version. Of course you will date, जब time आएगा ना, you don't need to ask someone to date you or like wait to date you. When the right time comes, the person will also come. You don't need to try hard. We are just so obsessed with trying hard. We're so obsessed ki I wish they like me, I wish they la insecurities, that we forget that we are getting it, but we are not like taking it in properly. So when the right time comes, the right person will come. So wait for it and just don't get into the right place, wrong time. Oh, my dogs are distracting me a lot. So thing I want to tell you is be yourself, do what you want, and yes, the ultimate guide is the glow up within yourself and not within other people. I speak from a lot of experience. तो ये मत मानना कि हमने कुछ नहीं किया हाई स्कूल में मस्ती तो ऑफ कोर्स करना चाहिए. इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज लाइक बी अ डिलिजेंट पर्सन, डोंट टॉक टू मच. Bro, have fun. It's your high school. You are not going to be 16, 17, 18 in high school ever. Let me tell you, teenage life just comes once, not twice, not thrice. So enjoy it. I had so much fun. I had done so much in high school that I can say, but not in terms of the things you're thinking, relationships, blah blah blah. No, I had fun. I had a lot of fun. I had done everything that a teenager would do in a good way, and I enjoyed it. I really miss high school and I wish I could go back. So when you're in high school, enjoy it. क्योंकि जब बाहर निकल जाओगे ना, बहुत मन होगा कि I wish I was there again, I wish I could relive it, and now you cannot. And that's what makes life very precious, that once you are done with it, you cannot do it. So enjoy high school, guys, क्योंकि it's a really good thing. एंड चुपके चुपके सब कुछ करना, इट्स सो फन. लाइक स्कूल में फ़ोन ले जाना छुपा के, स्कूल में मस्ती करना, क्लास बंक करना वॉशरूम में, फिर बहुत कुछ किया है हमने. खाना खाना, वो भी टीचर सामने पढ़ा रहा था एंड चुपके चुपके खाना खाना, कैमरा के साइड में थोड़ा छुप के लैपटॉप चलाना. दोज वर द डेज. तो नहीं आता वापस. कॉलेज में यू जस्ट गेट द फ्रीडम की यू कैन यूज़ फ़ोन, लैपटॉप, एवरीथिंग जब मन चाहे. तो वो एक गिल्टनेस नहीं होता और मज़ा नहीं आता यार. तो एक्सपीरियंस सब कुछ कर लो. डू एवरीथिंग इन हाई स्कूल. And yeah, I'll stop yapping right now and end the video. I hope you guys liked it, and thank you for watching my video right now. And next, what do you want, a story time or like guides to anything? You can just comment down below, and I will be back soon. Love you, thank you, and subscribe. Bye.